everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Stephanie and welcome to my channel. As you guys can see from the title of today's video, I am going to be creating my 2024 vision board. So in the past, I did do vision boards. I did one in 2019 and in 2020, and a lot of the items that I put on those vision boards did come true. I will leave that video annotated up here on the screen and listed down below in the description box if you want to see my past vision board videos. So today I wanted to get a jump start on creating my 2024 vision board. I wanted to go ahead and get this video out for you guys to show you my process, and that way if you're inspired, you can create your own vision board for 2024. So in the past, I saw success with my vision board, and that is why I wanted to do it again for 2024. I didn't do one last year, and I don't think I did one for 2022, and I just felt that it kind of was not the best of years, to say the least. So I kind of want to just get back into channeling in all of that positivity, all of that inspiration, dream, and manifestation for 2024 to reach all of my goals. With that being said, today I'm going to share with you guys how I create my vision board, what's my process, and how you can create your very own vision board as well. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So to get started on your 2024 vision board, what I suggest everyone do is to start off and compile a list in a notebook, in a journal, even on a random piece of paper. Get a list going, and in this list, you're going to want to prioritize different goals and dreams that you have for your life into different compartments. To help myself focus a little bit better, I like to separate my vision board into categories and work category by category. That way I can really make sure that I'm getting everything that I want to be manifested for that year in that category. So what I did is I started off by just sitting down, taking time out of my day, 30 minutes, an hour or so, to write down all of my vision board goals that I want for 2024. For some of us, you have a ton of goals, and for some of us, we only have a couple, and that's okay too. That is the luxury of a vision board, right? A vision board is going to fit to you and your needs only. This has nothing to do with anybody else's goals for you. It's all about what you want and what you want to attract and manifest into your life. For my vision board, I decided to group it into different sections. So I'm gonna go ahead and read some of them off to you so you guys can get a gist of where my categories are. So I have finance goals, career goals, health goals, travel goals, habit goals, and personal wants / goals. So those are all the different categories that I have. So for my vision board, what I want to do is take the main things that I want to manifest and kind of find a picture that fits that little key bullet point and then put it onto my vision board. Once you sit down and write all of that out, the next part is going to be, like I said, gathering those pictures that you want to use. So my favorite place to look for inspiration for vision boards is Pinterest. I love to see what kind of like quotes people have, different words of encouragement. I like to put all of that on my vision board. So what I'm going to do is go through Pinterest, look through things. As I'm scrolling through Pinterest, what I like to do is create a new pin board that says 2024 vision board, and I like to gather all of my pictures and put them all in one central place. That way when I'm going to build my actual vision board, I have all the pictures I need. So once I gather all of my pictures, I then am going to start assembling my vision board. But for my vision board, there's one of two options of you can do this. Obviously the options are endless. You can be creative as you want, or you can be as simple as you want. I'm a simple gal when it comes to crafts. I'm not a crafty gal. It's not my vibe. But I know some people are really into crafting and really making their vision board something like a work of art, and that is great too. If that fits your vibe, do you. That is great. More power to you. I wish I could, but your girl is just, I'm not made for the arts and crafts. That's what I would do is just grab a poster board from Target, CVS, Walgreens, anything like that, and then I would compile all those pictures that I already had on my Pinterest board, and I would print them out over at Walgreens. And then I would start cutting and gluing and assembling my vision board how I want it, which is how I did my vision board back in 2019. So if you guys want to watch that video, again, it'll be linked down below. Another way that you can do it is by creating just a vision board off of Canva right on your computer. And this is not sponsored whatsoever. I absolutely genuinely love Canva and use it all the time for my own personal things, as also when I'm creating content, I love to go on Canva and get inspiration. There are thousands and thousands of templates on there already created that you can kind of just plug and chug whatever you want. There's like vision board templates, habit trackers, there's all kinds of things, calendars. You will find all of your kind of like visual things that you might need over on Canva, and it's a really great place to kind of organize all of your creativity that you want to post to social media, or just in this instance, just to create a vision board. What I'm going to do now is take you through the process of how I assembled and organized my vision board, and I'm going to kind of explain things here and there. I'm not going to explain everything on my vision board, but just a couple things so you guys can get the kind of gist of what I'm doing. So getting started with my vision board, I just wanted to come on here and say that the original vision board that I start working on did not fit the measurements that were good for the Walgreens photo option. So just keep that in mind. If you do want to use that, I use the dimensions 14 by 11, and I will leave this information in the description box. That way when you guys are building your vision board, you don't make the same mistake I did, because I had to completely redo it, which you guys will see in the final result. Okay, so what I'm doing first is going over to Pinterest, and I'm just going through all of my pins that I saved. This is going to help you in the process of creating your vision board, having all of your photos in one central location. So when I first start off my vision board, I like to put 2024 or the year at the top of the vision board. You can put it wherever you like. I prefer it up at the top. I then pick a central quote or something that speaks to me, and I really liked this one that says 2024, the year I become my best self. And I go back and forth between Canva and Pinterest just to pick all of my options that I want on there. I love to put manifestation or affirmations on my vision board because I think those are just really powerful, and it's something to look at every single day. So what I like to do is kind of focus my vision boards in categories. So as you can see here, what I'm doing is putting the sections kind of in each four corners, and then the center will be another section. So in this section here, we're focusing on weight loss and just really focusing on my healthy goals for myself. My goal that I'm setting this year is to lose 50 pounds. I'm going to take you guys on the journey through my YouTube channel, so stay tuned because more weight loss videos will be coming this year because it is something that I want to get back onto focusing. So I'm just organizing this. I like to show pictures of healthy foods, gym equipment, and sometimes it's even really good to put kind of like a body type that you'd like to see on yourself, and it just really helps the whole manifestation process, which I just kind of go through here and just organize it how I like it. So throughout this whole thing, you're going to see me playing around and adding things here and there in different sections. So I kind of split up to my top left corner to kind of be more so about finances and things I want to manifest, and then I have in the lower left-hand corner, I have attracting a healthy and beautiful relationship, because your girl has been single for too long. So let's pray that 2024 is the year. So I just kind of put in some pictures that I like over on Pinterest, and then the top right-hand corner is going to be more business and career focused, and then the center I'm going to put some travel stuff, which you guys will see me assemble throughout this video.
Sometimes I do. Sometimes I drive through all of the streets we used to on First Avenue, 'cause sometimes I don't even know.
Okay, so now it's going to jump to just basically my vision board kind of being exactly how I want it to be. I have everything organized here. I'm just moving things around to see how I would like the adjustment of things, making sure all pictures like blend in with each other. Yours can be as full as mine or as minimal as mine. It's really up to you and your preferences, but this is kind of the overall vibe that I really liked. So this is the moment that I realized the measurements didn't fit over on Walgreens, so I had to redo the whole thing. As you guys can see, I added a bit more things to it, more sayings, and just overall, I love this. I think it looks perfect. So now that my vision board is perfect and just how I like it, I am going to head over to Walgreens photo section, and I'm just going to check out their little photo thing. So you can choose whatever you want it to be, an 8x10, whatever you think you want. Right now they have amazing deals, as you guys can see going on. This is not sponsored, genuinely just on the app, on my own. So as you can see at the top, don't forget to check the discounts. I got 40% off my order, so definitely do that as well if you have Walgreens in your area and they're able to do this. So like I said, you can choose whatever measurement you want. I did a poster, which is a 14x11. Just make sure that when you look at it, you change the dimensions so that it fits everything in there. And then you go ahead and place your order and pick it up from Walgreens. So that is pretty much it for how to create a vision board for 2024. It's super simple, super easy, and it's so achievable for everybody. If you're someone who is feeling like you want to create more goals for yourself in 2024, change something in your life, or just manifest and attract more positivity and abundance into your life, a vision board is a great place to start for the new year. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you did, give this video a thumbs up. In the comment section below, leave me a purple heart emoji and let me know what is one of your goals for 2024 this year. I love to hear them and share some ideas in the comment sections down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see all of your beautiful faces in my next video, and I'm wishing you all a very Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Bye!
You're stealing my heart, baby, stealing my heart. I don't have many troubles, but I think you just cut them in two.